Hello, Barry Anderson with Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? And I got a great one for you today, FFIE. I have to admit, when I woke up and saw the market, and the market was just getting trashed, and we had a big opening red candle in the SPY, was wondering, would we find anything that was really good? And look at this FFIE. So again, it's all about the races, guys. I mean, now this is at 633, and if I look right now, this is actually won another race. So FFIE won 8 races. So this was on its way up. Again, this is all about my racing, and you can have that particular scan. If you go to my homepage and go to the scan section, and you'll see the top left-hand scan is the race mode, and it is this one right here, the biggest gainers from the open. And FFIE, it started showing up right about here at about 420, I think. And it just kept moving higher and higher. I mean, higher and higher and higher. And all the way up to 640. So, I mean, a tremendous run from, this 4 level all the way up to 640. Had a pullback now. And I don't know where it's going from here. But, I mean, in a day where the market, right now I'm looking, the market's down 600. NAS is down about 100. SPY is down 60. Trying to find a long opportunity is pretty tough. But I'm definitely finding with these races, if you zero in on the ones that keep winning over and over and over again, and even what I was saying to the room, is that if you use this like a watch list tomorrow, especially the FFIE, I mean, who knows, maybe it's going to have a continuation tomorrow. But, you use these ones and follow them tomorrow just to see what happens. I mean, that could turn into just a great watch list at the end of the day. Just take these top 10 and just use it as a watch list for the next day. But no question, FFIE, many in the trading room took that. And the interesting thing is that, let me just do a quick check. Where are you? Okay, I'm going to type it in. It's not a crazy low float, 90 million in the float. So it's not one of these really low float situations. Other thing is, I didn't really see any specific news on it other than, potential short squeeze. It's got 20% short float percent, but I didn't see any specific news on it. I think what happened is probably, the Reddit crew got a hold of it and decided that today was the day for this one. And so just a matter of, we can always find these sort of moves with Trade Ideas. And with the racing, just take a look at the ones that win races over and over again and follow them all day long. All right, I definitely want to get back into the trading room, so I'm going to shut this down. Our promotion is still on for 25% off. If you get the email, you'll see what the promotional code is. Pretty sure it's going to probably cease tonight at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. I don't think it'll be valid tomorrow. So you want to take advantage of 25% off. Do it today because I think it's going to be over at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. So I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern. So have a great evening, everybody, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.